One sunny morning, Emma and Jack were walking to school when, boom, a giant gummy bear fell from the sky. It was squishy, sweet-smelling, and bigger than their house. "Whoa," said Jack. "Where did that come from?" Little did they know, this was just the beginning. Soon, the whole town was covered in candy. Streets were slippery with chocolate rivers, and buildings were wrapped in cotton candy. "This is amazing," shouted Jack. But Emma noticed something strange. People were stuck in giant caramel puddles. "We have to fix this," she said. Emma and Jack followed the candy trail to a secret cave. Inside, they found a huge candy machine, glowing with colorful lights. "This must be it," said Emma. But there was a problem. A mischievous candy robot was controlling the machine. "Intruders," it said. "Prepare for a sticky surprise." "Quick," said Emma. "We need to unplug the machine." But the plug was guarded by a jelly bean force field. "I've got an idea," said Jack, holding up a giant lollipop shield. Together, they battled their way through the candy defenses, dodging flying gummies and sticky syrup blasts. As soon as the machine turned off, the candy storm stopped. The robot's eyes blinked. "Thank you," it said. "I didn't mean to cause trouble. I just love candy." Emma and Jack laughed. They helped the robot rebuild the machine as a candy dispenser for everyone to enjoy. And from that day on, the town was known as the sweetest place on earth.